Welcome back to the journal. It's me, Faith, and I want to show you some of my favorite faces. Okay, are you ready? Here's a face to make you want something scared. Ah! Oh great, we lost faces. Hopefully it's gonna be okay. Welcome back to the journal. It's me, Faith, and I want to show you some of my favorite faces. Okay, here I go. Here's the face to make you want something scary. Ah! Oh great, we lost faces. Hopefully it's gonna be okay. Hi there. It's here. Hey, look. It's a flower. And there's another one. And then another one. Look, the tulip. And there's the Oscar hairy penguin. Uh-oh. These flowers keep growing. I won't be happy to see you now. So, I better just say goodbye. So long. I'll see you later. Hi there. Face here right now. It's time for me to say goodbye for Easter Day. So I gotta read a long and scary goodbye together. Are you ready? Good. Shadow! Not right now. It's time for me to say goodbye. So long. I'll see you later. And if you like it to watch the next children video, I'm gonna write you not going live. And I'll see you tomorrow, right here on Nick Jr. video. That's all to say goodbye, faces. Whoa,